Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is a square plus a plus 1 equal to 0, which is a given equation, and the required equation is a to power 5 plus a to power 4 plus 1. Now in order to solve this question, first we should take this equation, which is a square plus a plus 1 equal to 0, and we will divide this equation a square plus a plus 1 equal to 0 by a from the both side. And after dividing both sides of the equation by a, we will get a plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 0. Now this 1 over a will move to the other side of the equation, and its positive sign will convert into a minus sign. And I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now in the next step we should solve second equation, which is a to power 5 plus a to power 4 plus 1, and we will take common a to power 4 from both this value, and after taking common a to power 4 from both this value, we will get a plus 1 as a remainder, and plus 1 will remain same as before. Now in the next step, this a plus 1 will replace from minus 1 over a from equation 1, or by equation number 1. Now in the next step we should multiply both this value, and this a will cancel out from a to power 4, and we will get, after cancelling this power 1 from this power 4, minus a cube, and plus 1 will remain same. Now we will, in the next step we will arrange this value as 1 minus a cube, and we can see here clearly this formula could be equal to a cube minus b cube, and it can be expanded as 1 minus a into a square plus a plus 1. And as we know that from the question, a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, it means that we will replace this a square plus a plus 1 from this value 0. And in the next step we will get 1 minus a into 0, and this 0 will multiply with this 1 minus a, and we will get in the next step equal to 0, and this 0 is a final or a required answer for this question. I hope you like this video, or this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.